Okay, today is Sunday, June 30th. We're at 3121 Ferncliff upstairs. Things that need to be done. This right here is kind of busted. It needs to go on the back of this door here. You might have to fill that in, let it dry, and then reinsert that or get a new one to insert. That needs to be done. Everything else is here okay. We might be buying a TV to put up there. This is the far left bedroom. This bedroom right here, these drawers all need to be fixed, taken apart, and figure out how to fix them because they're all askew. They've been damaged. But make sure, use a good one. Maybe that one's good as a template to figure out how to fix them all. And I don't know if that's just for looks. Again, possibly another TV being installed. Everything else looks okay in here. This, I'm not sure what's causing that. So, yeah. It looks all right, I guess, but is it a bit of a challenge? So, all else is okay in here. Looks good. The big bedroom. Again, we've got some drawer issues here. They're not closing these two. So use those as a template to figure out how to fix these two. Again, maybe a TV mount in here. We're gonna need a little bit of touch-up paint over there on the wall. Right over here also. This is, I think, antique white, so it should be fairly easy to take care of. And maybe right there I can see something. Again, if we can touch it up and feather it in. And then we need a doorstop here on the bottom again. One of the spring ones, by the way, not the solid ones. So they're harder to break. Again, nickel or something. Closet's fine. Closes okay. Everything else looks okay. Bathroom looks good. Yeah, I don't see anything wrong with that. And we got a door bumper there. Lights work, fan works. Make sure that these have batteries are okay. A little touch up here, some gloss white. We're gonna need some touch up here. A little bit of patch actually, and some paint there, so paint here. So there's some challenges. Check out the rest of the walls too, but we should be able to just do some patching paint, not full paint jobs. I think that's it. I don't really see anything else in these bedrooms on the walls or the doors. Okay, we'll go downstairs in a moment. Okay, here we are in the living room. Need some patch or some painting right there. Looks like actually some sanding too. Somebody did some patching. I think that was where a mirror was at one point. So again, should be antique white paint. We have it in the system, property wear, I'm sure. Everything else looks okay here. A little touch up there. Again, try to feather that in so everything's good. Looks like we're missing a doorstop. Yeah, we're missing a doorstop. So we need a doorstop there. This handle's loose on this front closet, coat closet. Needs to be tightened. We'll have to get rid of some of this stuff. Other than that, touch up paint here. That's gloss white, right here. So this is gonna have to be painted. I can see right down there. So this whole little mini wall might need to be painted and blended in. Can't tell if that needs paint. Over here, some paint. So this whole area may need to be painted. Now I come in here into the dining room. I'm trying to see right here. Yeah, down there it needs some paint. Paint chip right there. This looks like it needs to be painted all gloss white actually. So, and yeah, right there. Oh, the side door needs some paint on it to match. You know, obviously here, not the whole thing, but. And then going downstairs, this wall needs to be some paint. They patched it up. Bathroom downstairs. And we got a broken mirror piece right there, but I'm not going to worry about that. Not sure why there's a curtain in there. How did they put that? Oh, they got a towel bar up there. This looks okay. And maybe caulk that a little bit more. It's getting old, cracking. Laundry area. Could use some paint. Paint. A little bit of paint over here where they put the new boiler in. This right here needs to be taken care of. This overflow needs to go into here. So, and because this goes over to there in the drain. So I don't know why they didn't think about that and putting that in there. Even the overflow for the hot water tank goes in the pan. So the overflow for this should go into the pan somehow. Common sense, but nobody cares. That needs to be painted. They messed that up obviously when they were soldering. I don't know why they didn't just run that closer, away from the wall. Actually, not closer, but away from the wall. This got a doorstop. So coming in here to the downstairs. Yeah, that needs to be painted, touched up, touch up, touch up. This actually even needs to be sanded. Looks like the tenants tried to fix it, but not the best job. Doors look okay. Yeah, this wall, look at that. This whole wall is going to need to be painted, sanded, painted. Same with this wall. It's all messed up all the way across. Even on the top of the ledge there you can see. So make sure it gets sanded nicely. And it has a really good paint job. Again, this is a Class A property. Maybe some touch up on the trim down there. Some white semi-gloss where it's needed. I don't know about over here. Make sure that white trim there is in good condition. We'll get some white gloss, semi-gloss on it. White semi-gloss down there and down there. A little bit on the door trim here to the bathroom. Right there. Right here. So just some touch up there. Otherwise it's in pretty good shape. I think this is white also, so get that. Let's go outside. Yeah, clean this up a little bit, make it look nicer. You know, get all this debris out of here, cleaned up. Probably trim this bush here, cut it back off the driveway. Same thing with this thing, it needs to be cut it with the sidewalk. Did that a while ago and now it's growing back, so it's got to be cut even with the sidewalk right here. Go all the way across. Get rid of the picker plants. Clean that stuff up, break this all out, make it look prettier. Get rid of this. This is a weed tree. That's a weed tree. Let's get them now. Get rid of them now before they get too big. That needs a extension on, the correct extension on it, so it's going to go down and go out there away from the foundation. And pick up that stupid little ball thing there. Clean that bed out a little bit. Probably clean the gutters out just for the heck of it. They haven't been done in a while. I just ripped these out. They're rose trees, or rose bushes, but nobody wants to be scratched by them. Make sure all that gets cleaned out. There's our lock. Another lock box. We got 2 of them now. Oh, this looks all right for a patio. That looks better. Kill that and get that out of here so it doesn't keep growing. This all needs to be cleaned up, taken out, clean that out, take it out. This is all, yeah, I cut this all back myself a couple years ago. It was a pain. We don't want it coming back. All right, I think that's about it.